these are all accessories for the Apple AirPods Pro 2. These are all the casing, and we're gonna be unboxing them one by one. Right, let's start with the first one. This is so cute. This is actually like a dinosaur. Right, let's open up. So this is the cover. It's a matte rubber casing. Oh, so cute. Look at the eyes. There's a slit at the back. This is probably for the cover hinge. Right, inside, oh, you have a carabiner. That's nice. Okay. And this is the case, the bottom. It has a feet as well. Oh, so cute. This is probably for the lightning port. Okay, so let's put the AirPods Pro inside. Here we have it. This is the AirPods Pro Gen 2. Does it go in? It does. The port is here, but the speakers are being covered. Alright, there's no groove. Oh, and by the way, this casing is actually the first generation. It's a case meant for the first generation AirPods Pro. So yeah, it fits absolutely perfect. Let's put this in, and there we go. It stands. Opens. Okay, it's neat, right? Okay, so this casing is actually meant for Apple AirPods Pro Gen 1. It fits perfectly for the second generation. So yeah, so for those of you who actually have the first generation, the casing, and you are thinking to upgrade it to the second generation, you do not need to throw away your casing. You can continue to use it with your second generation, but just take note is that for the first generation, the speaker grills at the bottom, which are next to the lightning port, they'll all be covered up. Lightning cable here, plug it in. You still hear the charm, but it's softer because it's been covered up, and there's no opening here for the LED light to actually shine through, so you just have to go by gut feeling. The second one, this is a earphone protective case. Alright, original 100% product, Banpe, I don't know what is this, multi-protective, professional, at the back. Okay, multi-protective, bring you more wonderful. Okay, this is, let's get into it. Thing out. Oh, nice. Okay, this is actually a protective case for the new Apple AirPods Pro Gen 2. The case is like plastic with rubber, and then there are grooves at the back. Wow. Inside it's shiny silicone rubber. I like the design here, see? Alright, and then there's a foam here. Oh, nice. Wow, very elaborate. Okay, and then there's a cutout for the LED light to shine through. Okay, and then this is for the lanyard hook. It also comes with a ring here. Yeah, nice. Okay, if not, you can use your own lanyard hook. Okay, it's a very big cutout. Okay, for the lightning port, and then it has a cutout for the speaker grill on the left and on the right. Nice. Okay, let's put in the AirPods Pro 2. Go in just nicely. Wow, perfect fit. See, huge, which is great. I mean, some of you use a bigger, thicker, lightning port charger. It will fit in as well. Let's put on the helmet. Wow, it's very nice, right? Do comment down in the segment below if you find it really nice. So when you open up, the light comes through. Right. Okay, you can see all the speaker grill here. Okay. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, there you go, the charm. It's louder, slightly louder compared to the previous one. Just that the button at the back is not exposed, so it's also pretty thick as well. You can't really press on it through the through the casing. So this is something to take note, is that if you need like a quick fix, like you need to do a hard reset, you will definitely need to remove the protective casing. You need to take out the earbuds from the casing in order to get to the button at the back. Next one, this is, wow, plain color, no much description onto it. Let's get into it. Whoa, wow, there's an open. Okay, so this puts the casing together. Wow, it's like plastic, shiny inside, shiny rubber. Okay, another one with a foam inside. Nice. Okay, cutout. Alright, this is for the hook, ring. Okay, that's nice. Let's put the earbuds in it. Wow, it's a very perfect fit. Cap. Let's see. Oh, wow, it secures. That's very nice. Okay, so this is like a eject button. Alright, then you can open up the lid. It's more like additional security, so very secure. Nice. Oh, okay, so everything is covered. Very nice. With appropriate, right? Very rigid. Oh, and it has a button for you to press. Nice. Okay, so now it's off. Press the button. Light up. Oh, nice. This is the first one that actually has a dedicated area for me to press the button. Alright, so I don't need to take out. That's cool. Okay, do comment in the section below if you like this design. On to the next one. It's a very simple one. Let's open up. Okay, everything is glued together. Very basic silicone cover. This one is tied together. Matte finishing is a groove here. And then the cutout for the LED light. Cutout for the speaker grill, and this is probably, oh nice, this is probably to protect the lightning port. And then there's a descent here for the button at the back. Okay, and then there's a carabiner given to you so they can hook it here. Nice. Okay, let's put in the casing. Nice, just slide right in. This one can push it into the charging, into the lightning port. Yep. Go into the lightning port, and then this one slide on the cover. Not a very perfect fit. Ah, there you go. Yeah, doesn't fit very perfectly. Okay, but let's see. The light comes through nicely. You can see here the fit is not really very good. Okay. Yeah. Right. Compared to even this one, right, the dinosaur for the first generation, this one the fit isn't there. It's very thin. Yeah, it's very thin. You can see it compare. This one has some rigidity to it. This one, let me take out. It's very soft. I doubt it will. I think that over time using it, I mean it gives basic. It does what it does. It gives a very basic protection. Protects your case from scratches and different stuff. This is the only one that actually protects your lightning port. This is number 4. This is number 3 with protection so that the lid doesn't come off. This is number 2, and this is number 1. Right, the Dino. All right, the Dino is actually for the first generation AirPods Pro. All right, so the other 3 you see here, 4, 3, 2, those are actually for the second generation. So do comment down in the segment below which casing you like. And that's all the time we have. My name is Johnny. Bye.